no-wait weather.
All right, well, our wind finally dying down. We did have some areas of mist, drizzle, and mixed precipitation earlier as we spoke at 6 o'clock down in the south. That is now mainly switched over to some light flakes. So if you are in Bemidji, Black Duck, out towards Waskish, some of the Red Lakes area, seeing some of this make its way from west to east as we head into the overnight hours. Here is a look at wind speeds, and we still have gusts over 25 miles per hour in places like Sisseton, and in a few areas in Lakes Country, gusts over 20 miles per hour from the south. Today's gusts were gustiest down in the Sisseton Hills, over 50 miles per hour there, and the rest of us with really no picnic conditions either, with gusts over 30 miles per hour, causing blowing and drifting snow, very icy roads, and way too many crashes on area roads. Our Valley Sky Cam shows quieter conditions as you'd expect this hour of the night, but still watch for those icy spots as we go through the overnight hours. Our temperatures are remaining in the 20s. The wind still about where it was at 6 o'clock earlier tonight. 23 in Grand Forks, 18 for you in Jamestown. Devil's Lake at 23. That's the same reading we have this hour. In Detroit Lakes with 21 for Babe the Blue Ox in Bemidji. And that cold air has snuck into, well, that's right, Florida. Look at that. The Blues are 30s, and northern Florida, well, they're struggling out there with wind chills expected to be in the 20s. For us, well, 20s feel pretty good this time of the year. As we head into the overnight hours, we'll see partly cloudy skies, but there'll be some areas of low clouds and fog across the area where you see these darks. That's where we have the best chance of that activity. Temperatures falling only a little bit, near 20 for many. The coolest air will be in northwest counties near the Devil's Lake Basin, where you'll be clearer longer. Temperatures rising into the 20s. We'll still have a mix of sun and clouds. We'll see maybe more sun up in our northern counties, and as a result, you'll warm up nicely, but it'll still be cooler. There is a shot at 25 to 30 degrees for all of our southern and southeast counties as we go through the afternoon. Clouds build in late, and I cannot rule out a flake or two of snow in the late night hours in our westernmost reaches. Western Stutsman County, western Foster, western Eddy, maybe the Ramsey County area as well. Planning forecast, temperatures near 20 to start you out, and we'll have winds that'll only be 5 to 15 miles per hour. A big time improvement. Peekaboo sunshine here and there. And look at this, tomorrow evening, still in the 20s. And well, we know that can keep slippery conditions with temperatures in the 20s, and that's where we're going to see all of us in the 20s to near 30 in the Sisseton Hills. We could see a 30 in our far southeastern counties, maybe near Perham and Wadena. Here's a beautiful shot, Long Lake sunrise by Sherry. Thanks for sharing. Now, the 7-day planner and one more bonus graphic for you here to go through. First and foremost, the mild weather continues, 23 and a shot of an isolated flake, mainly west and east of us here in Fargo. Then as we go through the weekend, I'm happy to report, as we highlight this, no blizzards. We're expecting temperatures to be near 30 degrees and very quiet conditions all the way through the weekend and into next week. And now, as we go through the rest of this month, that January thaw is here. Take a look at our air mass battlecast here, and when you see the pinks, those are single-digit above zero readings. I don't think we're going to sink significantly below zero the rest of the month and until we get into February. So mark that on your calendar. It looks like we get to close out the last half of this month with some much milder weather. Yes, we will have sub-zero air returning, but at least we get a little reprieve.
We can take that.
Yeah, I'll take an extra graphic if it explains like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
very
no
good.
blizzards.
Bonus coverage.
Yeah.
All right.